Hi, this is attorney Johan Confidente from OCC Lawyers. And today I would like to continue talking about corporation, and that might be considered as a continuation of another video that we did explaining the difference on how to purchase corporation versus individuals. Today, we will understand the process of incorporating your company from a different country. It's very common that my client will ask me that they would like to put their properties in the name of a company that exists in their country. How do we do that? Is it beneficial to do it? And what is the process to do that? Well, in order to incorporate your existing company in your country, the way we do that is by registering all the documentation that were utilized in the US or Canada or any other country to get that company incorporated in your country. Then we now need to get a certified copy of all this document to be able to incorporate this company in the DR. That is the very first process that we need to do in order to get your company incorporated in the DR. And why do we need to do that? Well, the reason is that your company exists in a different country. Now you would like to do business or put a property in the name of this corporation in a different legislation. And that is the key point. We're talking about a different legislation with different rules, will leave different formalities, and we need to comply with the formalities of the Dominican Republic, which means that you need to bring a certified copy of all the incorporation documents to be for this company to be registered in the DR. Now, once you do that process, once you get all the certified document, we also need to get those documents apostilled. The apostille is an additional accreditation, is an additional certification that every original document produced in a different country has to get that extra certification in order to be valid in a different legislation. Like in the event the US. In the US, you produce an original document, let's say a birth certificate or a corporation document, any original document that you pretend to use in the Dominican Republic, but that you produce the original in a different country, in a different legislation. But now I would like to talk about the US specifically. You need to get that document apostilled. And how do you do that? Well, the way you do that is by taking that document to State Department, and then you will get that document apostilled according to the IC Convention. And that is a different subject, I know, and we will be covering the apostille in a different video, but the apostille is also necessary to keep that in mind when you're planning to incorporate your company in the Dominican Republic, because otherwise we will not be able to incorporate it. So the first thing we need is to get certified documentation of your incorporation documents. Second step will be to get those documents apostilled. And third, we will need to translate your company document. And then now we are ready to start working in the Dominican legislation, which means to file all this document to the corresponding Commerce Chamber to get this company incorporated. And then now you can have your property registered in the name of your corporation. One thing important is that when you register your corporation in the DR, now your company will be subject to all the formalities of the Dominican legislation. And when I say that your company, once incorporated in the DR, will be subject to all the formalities of the Dominican legislation, it means that your company will be subject to tax declaration in the Dominican Republic, also in the US, because you have a different branch in the Dominican Republic. You have your main company registered in the US, Canada, or any other country, and now you have a branch here in the DR. I want to make a clarification. When I was talking about the apostille, that is only applicable to the countries that are part of the IC Convention. Canada is not one of those countries, and then every other country that is part of the IC Convention will be the same process. Canada is a different process. Now, if you like this video, please, you can click the like button, share it with your friends that are looking to invest in the Dominican Republic, and you can also leave us your question and we will be getting back to you with a quick response. Bye-bye.